What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this channel, we talk about lifestyle and sneaker related stuff, and today I will be sharing you our pickup for today, and it was very profitable day. So with that said, let's do this. So mostly we pick up lots from finish lines since we already there. So we have to maximize what we need to do when we are in finish line. Especially, it's not just picking up the reservation. It has to be like, need to buy more, something that replenish my status points so that I could win more in the future. So starting off, this is the first one that I pick up on the first transaction, including the Jordan 1 Hyper Real. So the main purpose is to get 3 to 5% return ROI, and then also the points. This Jordan 1 mid, I'm gonna do a separate video on this one because I was kind of surprised when I got this one. Another Jordan 1 mid. This one is a grade school. The colorway is green, black volt green glow. Retail is 90, and to my surprise, the one who's working is kind of strict because she won't let me buy another different kind of Jordan 1 mids. She just told me you can only buy one Jordan 1 mids. I was like kind of say something, but hey, I just let it slide. So but anyway, colorway is not bad for grade school, so I picked them up. Size 6.5, not bad. So there we go. We got the Air Jordan 1 High OG. We got the size 8. Okay, so I just like what I described on the mall pickup. Not too much a fan. It's just that I already got the Jordan 1 UNC and the Jordan 4 UNC. I might gonna get my return of investment. So that's it. Let it go. And then I got another pair of the Jordan 1 mid grade school, the Volt, and there you go. So this Jordan 1 mid SE preschool, pick up the 1Y. Is that the candy stain? I'm not really sure, like an ice cream thing going on. So got the 1Y. I was aiming for a bigger one like the 2Y or 3Y, but anyway, if they got something that I could use in getting the points, why not, right? Next one, we got the Jordan 13 Flint on grade school size. Pick up the size 6. I was kind of aiming for size 7, but then they don't have it, so I'm still gonna aim for the points though. And in that store, this is the pair that I got, size 9.5. There we go. This is my size 10.5. Boom. To my surprise, there have some the Air Jordan 5 Retro Raging Bull on the store, sitting on the shelves. There we go. Come on. Some people having some kind of fight with this one when they release on the store. I'm lucky that I was there, so why not pick them up. 2 more. I got this one on Cage Foot Locker and Champs. Since they are already on the wall, I had to always check them out. And another one of the ice cream cone drip. There you go. And I pick up the size 2Y. There you go. Keep on taking of the grade school smaller sizes. Jordan 1 Retro 11. According to them, this one is returned, and looks like it's still clean. Looks like they didn't use them. Looks like they've been tried on. No crease, so they're good. They're good. Let's see the other one. Yeah, looks clean. But anyway, I'm not gonna resell it anyway. I just had to have plans on this one. That's why I bought a lot, even though they are 1Y. So the main thing I bought them is a little bit different purpose, so not for reselling. So that's it on this Jordan 11 Low. So there you go. This is most what we pick up today. About 3 pairs of the Jordan 1 Hyper Real. I got the size 8, I got 9.5, and one's size 10.5. So some Raging Bulls right there, a pair of Legend Blues, and some mids right there. So it was very productive day. I hope it was always like this, but man, sometimes it's struggle. But anyway, I was still lucky that I got 3 pairs. Got my investment already, and then I'm gonna meet up the buyer because I already to contact my buyer. He wants them, and then I think I already got the 9.5 to someone in Instagram, but I can't remember. I'm just gonna look it up. But anyway, it was very nice and very productive day. And there we go. What do you think on this pickup? If you like this video, can you please leave a thumbs up? Also, leave a comment down below. But and also subscribe if you want to. And with that said, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.